2018 Mitsubishi Outlander Review. The 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander provides answer to a really specific question: what should I buy if I'm searching for one of the cheapest three-row crossovers out there? Indeed, the Outlander is one kind of just a number of vehicles within this price range to provide a third-row seat. You get a wide range of features contained in the deal, too. Now for that fine print. The Outlander isn't particularly exciting to push. It is equally not essentially the most modern, fuel-efficient or comfortable vehicle in the class. That third-row seat is actually small and tough to access. If you're seeking an all-weather capable three-row crossover on a tight budget, the Outlander might be worth a glance. What's new for 2018? Most with the changes for the 2018 Outlander relate with trim levels and features. For instance, there is a new limited edition all trim level slotted relating to the say and sill trim levels. It adds some safety equipment and aesthetic touches inside the middle in the lineup. Also, the Compass trim level now receives the 7-inch touchscreen as standard, along with the top trim GT turns into a top-down, 360-degree parking camera and heated tire included as standard equipment. The Outlander would go along with is the mid-level say. It sits just above the Compass and gets additional features such as fog lights, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and heated front seats. The top trim GT provides the more powerful and much more desirable V6 engine that improves the tow. Even so, the GT is also one of the most expensive Outlander. That makes it challenging to recommend over more refined rivals. Luckily, the say still has got the third row of seating and available all-wheel drive, combined with the relatively reasonable price that creates the Outlander appealing to start with. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander is really a 7-passenger crossover SUV that is available in 5 different trim levels: S, say, L, SL and GT. The Outlander's base engine is often a 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engine, 166 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque, coupled with a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. Front-wheel drive is standard, and all-wheel drive is optional. Standard features to the S include 18-inch alloy wheels, LED running lights and taillights, heated mirrors, rear privacy glass, cruise control, dual-zone automatic climate control, a leather-wrapped tilt and telescoping controls, a height-adjustable driver seat, a 6040 split folding second-row seat that slides and reclines, a 5050 split third-row seat, a rear-view camera, voice controls, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a 6-speaker head unit with a 7-inch touchscreen display, a CD player plus a USB port. Stepping around the say gets you fog lights, body-cut side mirrors with integrated turn signals, keyless ignition and entry, searching for parking brake all-wheel drive only, heated front seats, with an upgraded speakers with satellite radio, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. The low limited edition mostly adds a number of aesthetic upgrades, for instance black roof rails and black exterior trim, as well as gets you blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. The SL begins with the say's content and adds automatic headlights, power folding mirrors, automatic wipers, gloss black interior trim, an energy liftgate, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, leather upholstery, an auto-dimming rear view mirror plus a power driver seat. The SL even offers some optional equipment you can't access at lower trim levels. The premium package adds LED headlights and LED fog lights, a sunroof, a heated leader, a 360-degree parking camera system, and also a 9-speaker Rockford Fosgate sound system. The SL Touring package has the premium package contents plus automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, a forward collision mitigation system with automatic braking, as well as a lane departure warning system. The GT comes standard with all in the above options except the advanced safety technologies. These all are in the optional GT Touring package. Exclusive standard features around the GT incorporate a 3.0-litre V6 224 horsepower, 215 lb-ft coupled with a conventional 6-speed automatic, all-wheel drive, chrome exterior, beltline accents and steering wheel shift paddles. Standalone methods of all trims include remote engine start, a tow hitch and also a rear seat entertainment system. All trims except the S meet the requirements for LED fog lights and back and front parking sensors. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S on this review use our full test on a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander 2.4 litres inline 4, CVT automatic, AWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the present Mitsubishi Outlander has gotten some revisions, for example the addition of some standard equipment, including a bigger 7-inch infotainment screen along with the addition of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Other changes are relatively minor, concerning features content on individual trim levels. Our findings remain applicable towards the 2018 Outlander. Age distance. Steering. The steering includes a natural feel. It turns in quickly enough that you just can enjoy yourself on a back road, however the effort is appropriately light for around town driving. It's easy to maintain. The Outlander steered straight for the highway. Handling. The tires provide enough grip around turns to push at a moderate pace. The Outlander is adequately competent on real roads. Nevertheless, it was a sloppy mess on our test track's handling course. Drivability. Pressing the eco button could be the only way throughout the surging throttle. The engine lacks power in critical situations, though early still pretty easy to operate a vehicle. Adaptive cruise control isn't a smooth operator. Off-road. Mitsubishi calls the Outlander's all-wheel drive system Super All-Wheel Control SOC. The 4 different modes Eco, Normal, Snow, Lock change the system's parameters, with Lock being the high traction mode for off-road driving. Comfort. It's significantly less refined for most areas as competitors. The seats might use more cushioning. The third row, especially, is outfitted to kids only. Given the below stellar handling, we expected an absorbing ride. Other than the loud engine during acceleration, it can be a pretty quiet vehicle. Seat comfort. The front seats are definitely not plush and simply okay with regards to comfort. The door and center armrests are nearly unpadded. The rear seats will also be not overly comfy, as well as the middle seat is challenging. The third row is positioned low, which puts the knees up to your chest. Ride comfort. The ride just isn't as cushioned since the underwhelming handling indicate. The Outlander handles mild bumps pretty easily, but city potholes and greater bumps at speed upset its composure significantly. It comes down to an absence of suspension design refinement. Noise and vibration. Wind noise is well controlled, and also the tires are exceptionally quiet. Fears some suspension noise over big bumps. The engine stays at low RPM at steady-state highway speeds. In slower running, that low RPM causes unsettling vibrations inside the cabin. Interior. The first 2 rows offer a lot of space for adults, even so the third row is just suitable for young children. Build quality remains to be a bit disappointing also. Outward visibility is extremely good. Utility. While it isn't by far the most utilitarian car in their class, the Outlander is equipped with some versatile features, for example third row seating plus a decent TOS dependent upon engine selection. Despite its large fourth-class size, several rivals better it when it comes to cargo capacity and interior volume. Small item storage. For an SUV on this size, the Outlander has good-sized door pockets, though the front bin is significantly away, plus the center console cup holders haven't any anti-tip function. Cargo space. The second row seats fold in a very three-step process. The trunk measures 10.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind your third row and 63.3 cubic feet operating seats folded. Towing. The Outlander SL 2.4 is rated to tow 1,500 pounds when properly equipped. Opt with the V6-powered Outlander GT and you will tow around the 3,500 pounds. Technology. Mitsubishi and CarTech isn't your, particularly if it comes towards the usability of these Rockford Fosgate systems. They simply seem dated and tacked on. For 2018, the more expensive 7-inch screen is standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on all but the bed's base S trim level.